Good morning. I have my first class of school today and I have to give food to the kitty cats. Oh, also, I want to clean the table here so I can sit down with the stool. So, face. Do you want food, Bubsy boy? Do you want food? You gotta sit down, Margot. Yeah. Yeah. Good. We get Bubby's food first. Yeah? We give Bubby's food first. Okay, Margot. Hey, baby girl. Baby girl. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Where's your bowl? You can sit. You gonna sit? Oh, you're so good. There you go. Seeing this? Yeah. There you go. This is my IKEA step stool. It's so cool and I really like it. It's very nice. So I have to empty the dishwasher. So let's do that right now. Okay. Oh, it's a whole lot better for lighting. I mean, I should know how much of a difference it's supposed to make. I did not expect that much. So, that's good. I'm gonna need breakfast. You can't see shit if I put this like that. Eh. Let's do that. And then I did my nails yesterday. I just want to acknowledge the fact that I did them because I'm not good at doing my nails. I'm not good at doing anyone's nails for a fact. It's my first class today, as I said, and I'm very curious. It is retailing. Course outline, there we go. This is what I want. I received my final grade 2 days ago for my management class. And And I was sure I was failing, okay? Let's start there. I was sure I was gonna fail the last exam, and you need to pass the exam to pass the final. The final is 40% of my grade, and I need to pass it to pass the course. I went to check my note yesterday, and I got a B minus. What the hell, okay? I'm used to getting C's. I'm used to getting like within 60%. I'm not used to getting B. I'm happy about that though. What's a B minus? 70 to 72, which is pretty good. But I still passed the final exam, which is like something I did not expect. Let's do breakfast. Because I'm very excited about breakfast. And yeah. Filming is my therapy. So welcome to therapy. Oh my god. When I find myself alone, I tend to film a lot. And I tend to edit a lot down because I film like 2 hours per day or something. It's crazy. Let me just... There's a weird in-middle lighting between this and this, which is annoying. But I love the new glasses so much. I want to get more. I want another set of 4. They're so cool. Writing you up. She's like, yeah, we got breakfast. Okay. Now my class is only that was not a sentence. My class, Bubbies, your poo-poo is fine. My class is only at 11:45, so I'm gonna watch a bit of YouTube and eat. It's 11:05 right now, so I have like 30-40 minutes maybe to just like relax and do my own things. The fuck. Okay, fine. Yeah. I just finished the entire bagel, and I have to say this is pretty good. It's pretty good. I like it. Not as much as my cinnamon and raisin ones, but I have weird taste, and this is good. So, off to eat the banana, and this also is very good. I'm enjoying it. Now the actual bubbles, I don't know how they're gonna be because they were in the fridge, but oh, this tastes weird with the seasoning of the bagel. Oh god. I'm gonna keep going, do my things, and then let's not talk about the marks I left on the floor while trying to get this clip, okay? Because oh, actually you can't really see them. There's footprints. The beauty of vlogging. or just recording a clip for a matter of fact, as a matter of fact. So let's boost it up so you can actually see something. Put your bowl out the way. My little droopy nose. What do you think about that, Bubs? There we go. And then I just went to the store to get San Pellegrino. And then no, but Bubbies, you're not allowed on the table. Get off, please. You're allowed on the counters, not the table. Then this one. Got these, and my boyfriend was on break at work, so I went to see him, and he got some. It's a salad with a why did I forget a word? Sandwich. It's a sandwich and a salad that's vegan. So that's nice. And I got a protein smoothie. It looks like poop, but it's banana. Let me just put this in the fridge. It's banana coffee, espresso coffee shot. There's cacao, almond, cocoa milk, almond milk, dates. Yeah, I think that's it. But it's like very healthy. It's vegan and it fills my tummy pretty quick. So I just get my hoodie off. I have little pink cheeks from going outside because there's a lot of wind. I'm near water. I'm near water, so there's a lot of wind. It's very cold. It's not, no, wrong. It's not very cold. It's just, it's colder. That's it. It's just colder. Do you want a fridge tour? That can be fun. I can give you a fridge tour. We've been ordering a lot lately, so there are takeouts that would normally not be in there. But let me flip you around. And if we open the fridge, this is very blurry. Okay, there we go. This is what you have in the fridge. So that's soy sauce, dressing. So Caesar and cucumber dressing, the essentials, I mean relish, ketchup, mustard, Tabasco, just right there. Then if you go down, there's this Guru, tropical Guru, my San Pellegrino, which I just got, lemon juice, our water filter, that's sushi, and the takeout for today, almond, oat milk. And behind it is Coureur de Bois, which we rarely use. I have pombe in the back. Bread. Everything bagel. Cinnamon and raisin bagel. Just some cream cheese. Honey and garlic, because it's one of our favorites. Give me 1 second. There we go. After a while it decides to say that it's not happy that the door is open. So. Pepsi. This is sparkling pure drink. It's like a moot bum, but pure moot bum. This is chili from when we ordered Wendy's. There's butter. That's an empty jar. Tzatziki at the back. Like this. Tzatziki. There. Then a raspberry and chocolate cake, which we rarely have. Meat, cheesecake, raspberry flavored. Cheese, more cheese, a lot of cheese, some chocolate for like at night. And then quickly, before it says anything again, lettuce, onions, lemons, avocado, pepper right in here. And then this is the like unhealthy things, kind of. So sausage rolls. There's ice toaster strudels. Bagel bites. How was that? Nothing important. Okay. Some more for me. What is it? Smoked salmon, bagel bites. And here, a lot of fruits and my Eggos for the morning when I want to have more sweeter. And then alcohol. This is my fridge. This is everything I have in my fridge. It's a lot of groceries because because of moving, I haven't done like a grocery in almost 2 weeks, like a week and a half, I would say. Just because we wanted to have where can I have these? Okay. I didn't want to have a lot of groceries to pack and bring, so we were eating pretty much everything we had in the other fridge, and we've been ordering takeout a lot recently just for the easiness of not having, oh my god, sorry, not having to cook and not having to buy new groceries for the moving time. So that's why it is. So I'll keep drinking this, watching my videos, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna do today. And I'm filming so much, I'm pretty sure that's like the 4th video I've done like a week or something. Cause I filmed a lot of footage for the like packing vlog, which is titled I Found My Apartment. And I was editing that one and I haven't even gone through half of the footage. No, not half. Okay, stop dramatizing everything. I was going through the footage and at some point I was like, wow, I'm like already 20 minutes or close to 20 minutes in and I haven't used all the footage, so I took the decision to use the other videos in the next video, which is insert the title here because I haven't edited yet, because as I'm filming this it is January 6th and you can't see anything. The 3 things I love the most: banana, coffee, chocolate, all in here, and a protein drink. And it's all good stuff, so I can't even blame myself for drinking this. It just tastes so good. So I have the packing video, the one for next week, which is like half packing, moving, and half unpacking stuff, I'm pretty sure. Then I have what I filmed the last 2 days, and I have this, which is like what I filmed today. I have a lot of videos, but it's good because when midterm comes around and everything, I still have stuff to upload, and it won't be like anything boring. It's not like anything that I'm gonna be like on the fly like, oh, I need something to put up. It's like I already have the footage, I just need to edit it. So I'm putting it easier on myself, and I'm just having a lot of fun right now, just like filming everything, like documenting. And I know it's a lot of sit down parts and a lot of me talking, but there's not much to follow you up on. It's still looks like a mess. That's what the counter looks like. Still need to find out where this goes. And all the way around here, I cleaned up everything that was like behind my feet here, and pretty much everything that's here. All that stuff that's like technology stuff that was mostly on the table. And then that's my camera bag. But in the living room, aside from this, that's like the only boxes I have open, because it's like technology stuff that's supposed when the desk is gonna be up, most of this is gonna be in there. Then that's not really like trash or anything, it's just like the litter boxes and like the laundry thing. and most of this is gone. We're using this to prop up the projector for now, until we have like a desk or we decide what the layout's gonna be. There's gonna be like a table or something, so that's gonna be gone. But the box is like nothing super interesting. Then these two, that's books, I think. And then the rest is all in. I've put all the rest in the actual closets just to get them out of the way. And once I have the time, or once I like feel the need, I want to do. Oh my god, that's not a sentence. Once I want to like do anything about it, I can just like unpack, which is cool and interesting. So yeah, the rest of the stuff that's on the floor is not much, honestly. So once I get rid of all of this, I think it's gonna feel a lot cleaner. I'm gonna keep watching my videos. It is 2:22. 2:22. I'm gonna keep watching my videos a little bit, and then I'll probably just try to get rid of the boxes, see where they go in the basement. I think there's a garbage chute, but I don't know where it is. I need to find that, and I need to find where the recycling is and everything, so I don't have like any information. So yeah, I'm repeating myself. See you later.